What's up guys, it's Amanda and I'm about to test the 4 proofs of the LIFEPROOF case, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm back and we pushed this case to its limits. Actually, I think it had quite a ways to go, but if we take a look on the inside here, everything is dry, everything is clean. I don't see any issues of anything getting inside. The drop test honestly made just a very light scuff, and I think this case is going to protect your phone nicely. So if you guys haven't, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.